Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Rajesh from ibharatsoftware and today I will explain how to migrate on-premise database into the MS Microsoft Azure. So quickly I will start the demo. So let me open a studio, SQL Server Management Studio and connect on-premise server. So you can see I have one premise server and that holds two user database. It's AdventureWorks and AdventureWorks LT. It's a LT stand for light. So what is the target? What I will do in this video, we have to migrate on-premise database into the Azure. So let me connect our Azure database server. So first we have to copy SQL Server instance name. So I'm opening here and connecting Azure SQL instance. So what is the goal here? I have to migrate this database, AdventureWorks LT database, and into the MS Azure. Because in this database, we have a demo database, and I have to migrate AdventureWorks LT database. So in this video, what I will do, I will explain how you can extract backpack file. Second, upload backpack file on a storage accounts. And third, import backpack file into MS Azure. So these steps you will follow. In previous video, I already explained how you can extract backpack file. Okay. So for recap, let's start extracting a backpack file from the on-premise server. So right click, you have to right click on the database, whatever database you want to create a backpack file, and in a task menu, you have to click export data to your applications. Next, select your local drive. So I want local and file name should be, let me copy file name here and it's a backpack. So you can say extension is back and pack. Next, proceed and finish. So backpack extraction is completed successfully. So you can see your backpack file is here. This file we have to upload in a storage account. So let's proceed for the second steps. You have to open your storage account. So directly you have to search storage accounts. So you will get here and select this one. So in previous video, I already created how you can create a storage account and also creation of container, and also explain how you can upload any file into the storage account containers. So let me open up like a storage account, and inside a storage account, I created one container. So you have to click here, data storage tab, SQL backup is there. And what is the expectation? Let me delete existing file and upload our backpack file. So I already created in a local desktops. So you have to select this one and open and overwrite if available and upload here. So successfully completed, you can say. And let me close here. Our size is 371 KB. So second step you already completed here. Now final step to migrate. Import your backpack file into your SQL Azure instance. So let's click SQL Server and open your SQL instance. And you can see in a top header, import database is there. So you have to select your backup. So my subscription is free trial, so I'm selecting those, and then a storage account. So we have to select your backups or backpack file. You have to click here and click on containers, and you will get your file is there, and you have to select here. Okay. Next collision is same, and I don't want to change target database name, so I'm not changing a name, and I'm proceeding with the same. Whatever ID and password SQL Server you created initially, you have to pass here and you have to click OK. So data import in progress and request submitted for the import. So it's already import in progress, and you can see what is the status. It's completed. Nothing to do. Simply, you have to open your SQL servers, and you can also check from your portal side. No need to connect your SQL Server Management Studio. You have to click here your databases and refresh it's created or not. So basically it's not showing. So let's wait for a few seconds. And after that you got to know your database imported successfully. If you get check, so basically it's not showing till now. So we have to refresh once again, and you can see your database is. Let me see your activities. So I think activities completed. Update SQL databases accepted. It's accepted but not succeeded. You can see after like a succeed, you'll get your databases. Started. So let's wait for a few seconds. So after completion, you'll be seeing your databases. So let me connect. Yeah, you can see AdventureWorks LT is already like online estates, and now you can connect your databases. So I'm selecting this one and trying to connect. So we have a SQL query editor is there to preview your databases. So let me click here, query editor. Then you have to pass your credential so that you will be able to connect your databases. And you can see if you want to check how many tables are there, is the tables. Let me check this statement. Or you can also expand your all table will be listed. I think in progress. Okay, so I think database is created, but table not imported till now. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, database is created, but tables are still in progress. So in activity, you can see. So it succeeded and update SQL database is started 4 minutes ago. You can see here. So let's refresh. Maybe after a few seconds, got to know it's done already. Perform data extender is in progress. You can see here. So it's started. Okay. It's Meanwhile, let me validate from the your refresh your SQL Azure. Refresh, you'll be see your database created here. So it's created, and you can see maybe table is in progress to import. Okay, you can see table is imported and some tables are still in progress. So let me go with the new queries and select your database. It's AdventureWorks LT, and you can see select a start from sales LT is a schema and customer is a table. So let's try to execute, and you can see the record migrated for 847 table migrated. Okay, so you can see. Let me refresh once again, and you got to know some tables are increasing, and you can also check your table like a portal side. You'll get to know tables migrated. So let me select your databases and query editor. Let me log in and let me check once again what is the status of your database. So you can see some tables. So many tables are imported successfully. Same query, copy and paste, and you can see why this is not able to copy and paste here, and you can see so data imported. Okay, same thing. You can also validate from the on-premise. Let me connect LT databases. So you can see for it 847 record in on-premise, and Azure we already checked is 847. You can see it's Azure instance. So we already process data migration on-premise to Azure, and in this video we cover 3 steps: extracting a backup file, uploading a file into the storage account, you can say into the container, and second, we imported those files in MS Azure portal. Thanks. Thanks for